Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 51. In this exercise, we are using extruded boss, extruded cut, and swept cut to create this one. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select a new, select part, and apply OK. Here, select right plane and go to sketch. Select center rectangle and draw one. And this is 50, and this is 80. And now select the slot and draw one. Distance from this edge is 20 and slot length is 20 also, and this thickness is 10. Now go to feature and select extruded boss and it is 30. Now select this face and go to sketch, and now select lines like that. So we can use also the dynamic mirror. Let's use it so we get done this thing fast. Select this one. Okay, first we need to apply dynamic mirror to this axis. Now go to here and now select again line and draw one line like that, and this is 10. Sorry, it is 10 only, and this is 5, and this distance is 120. Apply OK. Now exit. Now select front plane and go to sketch. Select a line and draw line like that, and angle between, okay, we need angle not length, so angle between this is 60 degrees, and now go to features and select OK. We just need to exit first, and now go to swept cut, and here select the profile. This is sketch 2 and apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select this center rectangle and draw one like that, and this distance is 30 and this is 5. Now go to features and select extruded cut, and here select through one, apply OK. Now select chamfer and select this one. It is 5 mm. Select full preview and now apply OK. Now we need to apply variance to it. Go to body and select this one. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.